Tom of the Spork Syndicate YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. According to Tom, this is the story of the Oasis Express. What's beyond the Wasteland, and how do you get there? After the continents burned to ash, the survivors used whatever they could find to rebuild the world. Crudely built shelters, made by families born of blood spilled, not blood shared. Tribes built villages dotting the seemingly endless tundra. But nature found a way to crash the post-apocalyptic party, birthing an oasis of green at one end of the wasteland. On the opposite end, an underground ocean of oil. What began as a regular convoy evolved into a passage of hope. The first and last miles were a firefight, with a long stretch of nothingness in between. The convoys brought refined gasoline to the oasis and returned with bounties of food and relics of the world before. The warlords of the oil fields became addicted to their newfound wealth and saw a chance to earn even more by providing safe passage to the oasis for a price. Refugees saw the black smoke of the oil fields as a beacon and arrived to the markets outside almost daily. If they had something worthwhile to trade or were willing to work the fields for a time, they could book passage aboard the Oasis Express, now a train of trucks capable of navigating the salt flats and combat zones between the oil fields to the promise of the green world beyond. Sharky, a mashup of an airport pushback tractor, a helicopter, and a theme park ride, sets the course and eliminates attackers from the front. Frickin' Frack, a tractor and front loader full of diesel power and ammunition, follows Sharky to ensure nothing slows the express. Guzzy, the tanker filled with the petro fruits of the oil fields, is the payment for goods and safe passage for those aboard. Mule 1 and Mule 2 are next, each with more than 1,000 horsepower towing the village, stacked buses and RVs, and a Decatoro, Raging Express, to carry luggage one way and supplies on the return run. Last, towed by Mule 3, is Kaboom, the caboose, a sixth-wheel deuce and a half, armored and armed to the teeth to keep chasers away. For passengers, the Oasis Express is a one-way trip. Crew isn't allowed inside the walls, so no one really knows what's beyond, save what's brought back. But there's hope, and that's enough to make some give up all they have to journey across hell in search of a reborn new world. This is freaking amazing, Tom. I'm truly at a loss for words. And as most people know, that never really happens. It doesn't happen often, at least. This is absolutely amazing. Everyone, please go check out Tom's channel. There are links to his social media accounts and his YouTube channel in the description for this video. He will have a video with more about the build and showing things in more detail. Thanks again, Tom, for taking the challenge. Thanks to all of you for watching this video. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.